their house and saw Goldilocks.
Oh my goodness.
And she got snapped.
Oh no, she got snapped. What did Goldilocks see when she saw the three bears?
She saw them in their house.
Was she sleeping in Baby Bear's bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they had Baby Bear here and Baby Bear's bed and got right snapped open. And that's the end that I want to see. Once upon a time, she raised safety in her house, and the three bears raced in the house and crashed open and got right snapped on the floor.
Oh my goodness. That's an exciting story.